As one of the busiest airports in the world, Los Angeles International Airport, or LAX, continuously strives to improve operations, customer experience, and rapid crisis management. In order to drive these proficiencies, the Los Angeles World Airports, or LAWA, the City of Los Angeles department that operates LAX, built a dedicated facility, co-locating airport operations, airport police, and maintenance services personnel to serve as an operational nerve center to deliver enhanced situational awareness.
Our vision was to create a central place where we could pull together all of the departments and all of the agencies that are necessary to efficiently run an airport, allow us to integrate new technologies with all of the operational disciplines, as well as integrate that with the outside agencies that are necessary for us to run 24/7.
During the design of the expedited 15-month, $13.9 million Airport Response Coordination Center, or ARC project, LAWA worked side by side with architects and airport operations and security technology integrator SDI, hosting concept of operations workshops across all stakeholder groups to determine operational requirements that would drive the physical layout of the ARC's 9,000 square foot facility, as well as its underlying technical architecture. The ARC's physical design accommodates airside, or airfield operations, and landside, or terminal operations, police, and construction and maintenance services divisions, as well as other governmental agencies, including the Transportation Security Administration. Additionally, a separate section of the ARC, called the Incident Management Center, is activated during a major incident or airport emergency, with assigned workstations for managers of response teams. The IMC provides a collaborative environment with shared access to information used from event response through recovery until the airport fully resumes normal operation, reducing response time to incidents that could impact the traveling public.
It's putting a real strong emphasis on what technology can do for the airport. So we're able to put into the minds of our users, they're now starting to think of new ways to use technology, and it's not just my staff or the technologists having to raise possibilities.
The SDI designed technical architecture empowering the ARC is complex and cutting edge, spanning 26 separate technologies, including traditional security systems such as video surveillance, access control, fire systems, and computer-aided dispatch, work management, gate and bus management, and geographic information systems, or GIS. SDI rapidly tested, configured, and deployed new state-of-the-art software and equipment, and integrated new systems with existing legacy systems and infrastructure.
When we built the ARC, obviously we had legacy systems from which we were going to use as a foundation. Bringing in new technology that we were introduced to by our IT consultants allowed us to pull that together, but it had another interesting aspect because as we had our users become involved working with our security consultant, it opened up a lot of ideas that we had not thought about in the past.
ARC's integrated design is based on SDI's SAMSON model, featuring an industry-leading physical security information management system, which shares informational and event-driven data, graphics and digital video data from all of the ARC subsystems, achieving situational awareness for all operations and events.
SAMSON, for example, provides a common operating picture to all the users at the ARC. If there's a need for a coordinated response, someone from each of the participating business functions will know about it right away, they'll know of the event, and they'll be able to see it on a shared video wall or at individual workstations.
Following its SAMSON model to bring the technology design full circle, SDI programmed CONOPS findings and standard operating procedures into the business logic that drives the ARC's physical security information management system.
So there is no longer a need to page through a manual for the proper procedure for incidents like a terminal evacuation and repopulation, or what to do for a power failure.
The system automatically walks the ARC users through the steps involved in responding to a particular incident and serves up the information that they need to perform their job quickly, dramatically increasing efficiency and reducing response times.
There's no ambiguity about an event. Everybody sees and knows what's happening. Everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing. So when an incident occurs, we minimize our disruption to operations.
Within 2 months of the center's opening, the ARC environment has already made a positive impact across the different user groups.
Some of the things that have improved just by bringing these folks together and overhearing each other's conversations and goings-on of just daily activity is enhanced situational awareness, which leads to faster problem solving, more complete analysis of a problem. Anytime something goes wrong, we want to find out the core problem so that we can go fix that, and then we can respond to the situation. With the folks in the same room, we get that a lot faster and a lot more complete.
Plans to extend the NIMS-compliant ARC technical platform are already underway with planned initiatives, including SAMSON-enabled mobile field devices and further integration of LAX's badging, CCTV, and enterprise asset management systems. Today, passengers, airlines, concessionaires, tenant service providers, governmental agencies, and the surrounding community enjoy LAX's Airport Response Coordination Center efforts in providing day-to-day, round-the-clock operational support, facility management and security coordination, and enhancing overall service.